にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, anime video number 41, and I'm going to talk about Great Pretender of 2020, and you can watch it in Netflix. I'm not going to talk the storylines because I think it's much more interesting to watch this anime without knowing the plot. But I'm gonna teach you some useful, some vocabularies, and I think they are very interesting. This anime is action comedy. Action comedy. It's just as the same as in English, action comedy. This anime is adventure one. And we say adventure, 冒険, 冒険, adventure. And adventurer, the person is 冒険家 with this kanji, ka, like the house. And means the person. So adventurer or this anime is about adventure. 冒険. Entertainment, we say in Japanese, エンタメ, short one, but エンタメ, this is entertainment. 舞台, 舞台, this word 舞台, it means stage, but also scenery, because in this anime, the scenery is in many places, such as Hollywood, Los Angeles, London, Tokyo, and Singapore, and Shanghai in China. So you can think like you are visiting these places. It's like you are traveling. One of the things that I liked very much is the opening of this Great Pretender. Well, anyway, this is my personal opinion, but the opening theme, it's just like in the movies, the Hollywood movies in the 60s. For example, in 1963, there were two very good pictures, very good movies. One of them, Charade, and the actors was Audrey Hepburn and Cary Grant. The opening of that movie was amazing, and that remembered me this Great Pretender. And also the other one, the same year, 1963, the Pink Panther. The both movies, the music was Henry Mancini, and the music, and this opening with all designs and these kind of things is very similar to this Great Pretender. Well, this is my opinion. The main theme of this anime is about sagi. Sagi. This means the con or the scam. So this is the reason why I think it's better that I'm not going to tell you anything, because this anime is so lots of cons, lots of lies. So it's very interesting that you discover these cons. Well, sagi con and sagi shi, with this shi, this means the con man or con woman. The verb to cheat, to scam, to con, this is 騙します. 騙します is the group one of the verb. It means 騙して、騙した、騙さない、騙す. And this one is used in many occasions in the passive. It means 騙された、騙される。あ、騙された。お、騙されちゃった。It means, oh, I got scammed. Actually, what they do is 犯罪. This is crimes or misbehaviors. But anyway, they make you like them very much. They've got their rules. We say ルール. This is rule. ルール. One of the rules is not to kill anyone. 殺します. This is the verb to kill or to assassinate. To kill. 殺します. But in this case, they don't kill anyone. So 殺さない. 殺さない. The other rule is that they never con good people. Only they con 悪人. 悪人, it means bad persons. This kanji 悪, you can also pronounce 悪い, 悪い, this bad. 人、悪い人、悪人, and both we pronounce 悪人, bad persons. They also scam the big and bad organizations. Maybe the police cannot, but they can with their intelligence. Well, 組織, this word means organization. 組織. They are really good team, but they think or they consider that they are not friends. They are just a very good team, like a professional team. And this word, 一匹狼. 一匹狼. It means a lone wolf or a loner. 狼, this is wolf. 一匹, this is the way how to count the small animals. Like this. 一匹, 二匹, 三匹, 四匹, 五匹, 六匹, 七匹, 八匹, 9匹, 10匹. So 一匹狼 means a lone wolf. It means when someone fails and maybe this person is dying or something like that, but you don't have to take care of him just like a real friends, because they said, no, we are 一匹狼. So just let him be, and I go on my way. I continue with my duty. So this is 一匹狼. Now I'm going to talk about the main character. We say 主人公, main character. Well, his name is Edamura Makoto. Edamura, this is family name. But for some people, Edamura, it is a little bit difficult. So the nickname is Edamame. Do you know what is edamame? Edamame is this one. So this is very delicious, edamame. It's the soybean, like the green soybean, edamame. And sometimes this is the snack of edamame, like this. So his nickname's edamame. And his name is Makoto. And Makoto means sincerity, honesty, like this. So it's quite strange. You might think, oh, it's strange. This is common. But anyway, in his heart, he's so sincere, and he's really good boy. And he is 誠実, honest, and reliable. And also, he's got 正義感. 正義感. Well, 正義, it means justice. Kan, it comes from the kanjo, the feelings. So 正義感 is a sense of justice. So this boy has got all of these. 登場人物. 登場人物 means characters who appear in the movies or in the anime. So we call 登場人物. At first, I'm going to talk about Lauren. He's known as a Frenchman, but actually he's from Brussels, Belgium, and his looks is a kind of mixture of Alain Delon, this is French actor, and Johnny Depp, and Orlando Bloom. So the mixture, because this is what the author says. But Lauren, this character Lauren, is totally blonde hair. So he's handsome, イケメン, both words means handsome, good-looking guy, and かっこいい, so cool. But he's playboy, and also he seems like superficial. But anyway, in the end, you will know what he really is. This Lauren organizes the scam or the con, just like he's like boss. The next 登場人物, the character, the 登場人物 is Cynthia. Cynthia is a British woman and around 40 years old. around 40, but she looks much younger. And she's so 魅力的, 魅力的, attractive, and 美人. 美人, it means beautiful woman. This kanji is 美しい, beautiful, and jin, person, so beautiful person. When we say 美人, this means beautiful woman, and also so sexy. And she's got a red hair, and she can act so well, just like an actress. It means she can con everyone. The next 登場人物 that I'm gonna talk about is Abby. Abby is a girl around 20 years old. She's from Baghdad, Iraq. And she's got short brown hair and also tanned skin. And her looks is based on these two actresses, Natalie Portman and Halle Berry. So she's quite thin and small with tanned skin. So she's kawaii, so lovely. But she behaves quite cold, 冷たい. Yes, her attitude is quite cold, 冷たい. So she's not like a warm person. So it is different. And she's really, really brutally 正直. What is 正直? Honest. So honest. But maybe too much. But brutally 正直. So I can say this anime is very joyful, very pleasant, very fun. 楽しい, 楽しい. More adjectives about this anime. I can say 素敵. 素敵, this is not adjective, and it means wonderful. So great. 素敵. Let's say more adjective about this anime. 面白い. This is e adjective. 面白い. This means amusing, interesting, funny. Exhilarating feelings, refreshing feelings, or stimulating feelings. These kind of things we say 爽快感. 爽快感. I can feel lots of 爽快感 watching this anime because this group of boys and girls, and they are so attractive and charming, and they got together and they scam the bad people, the bad organization, and this is so refreshing. So, oh, how nice, like this. So this is 爽快感, 爽快感. And you can also feel this watching this anime. And happy end. It means happy end. Other good things about this anime, Great Pretender, this is also about drawings. Drawings are very beautiful, and also the color. Color is so vivid, and I like it so much. And this anime is also in a large scale, so magnificent, because instead of car race, here you can see air race. So it's so all in big. And also in the background scenery is also beautiful in the drawing. Personally, I enjoyed a lot watching this anime, so I can recommend you to watch it too. This is just like a big Hollywood movie. いかがでしたか？今日はグレートプレテンダーというアニメについてお話をさせていただきました。気に入っていただけましたか？このアニメではいろいろな国がとても美しく本当に綺麗に表されていて、まるでそういうところに旅行に行ったような気分にさせてくれました。それから悪い人たちをやっつけてしまう、そういう感じもとても好きでした。でもなぜだか最後にはその悪い人同士まで一緒にお友達になってたりして、なんか とっても楽しくなるアニメでした。よかったですよ。では、また次回会いましょうね。では、お体に気をつけて。じゃあね。